our left hinge swinging cafe door. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 29 inches, a height of 39 3/4 inches, and a depth of 1.5 inches. Coming to the front or the face of the cafe door will be the corrugated filters, and coming to the top left corner will be the barrel bolt, and coming to your right will be a tab, and coming to the bottom will be an insert to install this cafe door. With the barrel bolt located to the left and the hinge located to the right, this door can be installed and positioned where the door will swing from the left. Included with your cafe door will be screws, along with hardware and rotating shafts to install your cafe door. The measurements for the smaller corner brace or rotating shaft, we have 2.25 inches in length by 3 inches in height. 4-hole inserts for your screws, and the measurements for the second bracket or rotating shaft, we have 1 3/4 inches in length by 4 inches in height. There will also be 4 slots or inserts for your screws. All these will be included with your purchase for one single or a double cafe door. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.